What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Deja Vu by Olivia Rodrigo. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double throat punch your eyes out of the back of your body. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it just uses 2 chords that repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord you need is going to be D major. It's index on the 2nd fret of the G string, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string. And then A major, which is middle finger. It's 2nd fret on D, G, and B. Some people play it differently. I use middle finger on D, ring finger on G, pinky finger on B. Once you get your chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.